What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. Today we're at the village in Orange. I just found out that this mall is going to be closing down January 31st, 2024. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've never been to this mall, so I really didn't know what to expect once I got here. But I figured since you guys are enjoying these dead mall videos, I would have to show this one before it's gone. This one's kind of a little odd to me because it has a Walmart as an anchor, and I've never heard of a Walmart being an anchor to any sort of mall. At first I was a little confused as what was going on because they filed permits to remove the interiors of the mall, so I was thinking maybe the outside portion of the mall or the shopping center was going to stay, and only the interiors, as what you guys are seeing here, was going to be removed and possibly this small building here knocked down. But it looks like they're going to go ahead and move forward and build over 500 new residences here. I'm not sure if that's houses. Most likely it'll be apartments. So this mall opened August 16th, 1971. And again, guys, it is closing January 31st, 2024. And I can tell you guys have been enjoying these videos based off of the numbers. They're doing pretty good for the channel. So if you guys want to see more dead mall videos, let me know down in the comments. So whenever something like this comes up again, I can go out and film it for you guys. Thank you for continuing to enjoy this video. Of course they do. What do you think, this was like a Jamba Juice?
Wait. Remember that last time we saw pretzel?
Mm-hmm. I don't know, the colors kind of scream Jamba Juice to me. You kind of hear your echo right here. The acoustics are not very entertaining to the ear. Yeah. Feels better than the Point the Hills Mall. Obviously there's nothing down here. I said obviously there's nothing down here. Oh, if you didn't know that was here, you would never know. It's kind of funny how they have these advertising, hey, this is for rent, but they're closing as of January 31st, just what, about 4 or 5 months away?
October, November, December, January. 4 months? 4.5 months?
Yeah.
It's not very big at all.
No, not at all. This is probably smaller than the Inland Center Mall.
Maybe on the Bath and Body Works and Ulta.
I'm surprised that Ulta is in here. Of course, every dying mall is not complete without a Bath and Body Works. What other dying mall did we see had a Ross in it?
Huh?
What other dying mall had a Ross in it that we went to?
The last one we just went to.
Is that the Puente Hills Mall?
Mm-hmm. Look at another piano store.
Yep.
Look at clearance 70% off.
Yeah. You're like, we're getting out of here. I would too. So Ross.
Home goods.
Yep.
Can we go in there or not till we're done?
After I'm done. That's all right. It's
Not till we're done, is it?
huh?
Not till we're done.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Party store.
Playing parties. Well,
Not really many well-known stores.
mm-mm.
They don't even have a food court.
That's right. They don't.
They have, there's Auntie Anne's.
Yeah, the pretzels.
I think that's the only food we see.
Think so.
Yeah, I think Auntie Anne's is the only food.
Only food thing, huh? Oh, there's the poke to the moon. I guess this would
This is the food court.
this would be their food court. Nothing really.
These people know that there were 75 stores.
Yeah,
I
they
guess
did.
that's on the outside too.
Yeah, I guess.
It's like a mall with an
Yeah, I was
outside
gonna
mall,
say, I
too.
don't know where they think they're gonna fit 70 stores in here. Let's just cross through here, huh? I'm sure.
Poke nachos.
Yeah. Rolex. Yeah, that's really about it. That's cool.